If you make use of this mask just for 2 weeks, wrinkles, fine lines, pimples, acne, dark scars are going to be a thing of the past. So jump into your kitchen, let's make this mask together. Beautiful morning to you all. Hope you are having an amazing weekend. Happy weekend. Welcome to my channel. If you are very new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for always coming back. So I was about going to take my shower this morning. I just woke up from bed and then I had to do something on my face, so I said let me show you, because when I tell you that I do DIYs and they've been helping my skin, I'm not joking. I do it on my skin, and when I share these videos, I beg you to watch them because I want you to have a beautiful skin. Okay, it's not just all about buying products from the shops or from websites, expensive brands. The things you have in your kitchen can actually give you a beautiful skin, and it's even going to be more beneficial to you because they have no harsh chemicals in them. They are natural, they are safe, you can use them every day. So I'm going to be showing you something that I apply on my face. It is an anti-acne ingredient. It helps with acne. Let me show you. You have it in your kitchen as I'm talking to you. So just go to your kitchen as I show you this ingredient, pick it up and do it with me, because you're definitely gonna be enjoying your skin. So this is it. This is it. This is tomatoes. This is tomatoes. Organic tomatoes, fresh, healthy, looking good, red. I already cut it because I was about using it, then I remember, I said, oh, I could come back here and show my people. So this is tomatoes. Tomatoes is very, very effective for acne. It helps to treat acne, pimples, or whatever you call it. It helps with dark scars. It helps to brighten up the skin because it contains salicylic acid. It's going to help you brighten up your skin. It helps you with fine lines. Have you noticed that some of this, or most of these acne products that we have in the market contain salicylic acid? Yes, they do. Acne treatments most of them always contain salicylic acid. So this is the natural form of salicylic acid, and it's very effective. You know what you're using on your skin. So this is tomatoes. Get yourself a tomato. You can do this every day if you want. I challenge you to go on a challenge on this thing. Do it for 2 weeks and tell me what happens to your face. Do it for 2 weeks, maybe every evening or every morning, or if you can do it morning and evening, but you can do it once in a day, it doesn't matter. So this is mine. This is it. It is washed. Wash it very well. Divide it into two. This is the other part of it. It was like this. I just cut it. Divide it into two and then rub it on your face. Rub it. Just rub it. There are many ways of using tomatoes. There are other things you can add to it if you want to, but I'm not going to add anything. I just want it to be very basic today. I will show you other things later, some other day. So I put this on my face. It helps with pimples and acne. It helps with scars. It helps delay the signs of aging. When I have this on my face, I don't look old so quick. I don't look old so quick. So I apply this on my face. Just rub it on your face and make sure your face, you can want to blend it. If you don't want to go through, do this what I'm doing, you blend it. If you want, you blend it. What we want is the juice. Blend it. When you blend it, take a brush, apply it on your face. Make sure you rub everywhere be saturated with it, and then you put it down. Just rub. Your hands should be clean. Rub your face like that. Rub your face, rub your face, rub your face, rub your face. Massage it everywhere, and then let it sit on your face for 10 minutes. When it's dry, or 15 minutes depending on the temperature. When it dries off, go wash your face with maybe water, lukewarm water, not cold. You know, very cold water is not good. It will strip off the moisture from your face, and then not hot as well. You understand? So you just wash your face and then use your body moisturizer, and you are going to glow. You can do this before makeup. That's fine. It is going to give you an instant glow, like instant. I'm not joking about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.